Okay guys, welcome to this game's character course. We're going to create a minion here. Now this is a simple course. This is just to start you off on the kind of games route. So I'm going to be producing a fully blown games character. It's going to be very technical. We're going to work through different workshops to create a proper character, but I thought to start with what I can do is a simplified character like this. Now this is I've actually already kind of done this course, but I'm going to start from scratch because I realized when I was creating this character that I've actually made it far too complicated for a games character course for you guys, and as this is a starter lesson, I decided that I'm going to remodel this from scratch. So I've already done quite a few hours of videos producing this, so we're basically going to start from scratch again and create something like this in a simplified way that will give you an introduction to ZBrush and UV layouts and exporting out of Maya, and also using Substance Painter to texture and Marmoset to view and do some renders as well. So I'm going to be showing you, just to tell you the steps that we're going to do. We're going to create the character, we're going to UV unwrap it, then I'm going to show you methods for exporting this out and producing and baking all your maps inside of Substance Painter, and the different ways we can do it. So I'm going to break it into simplified blocks. In the lesson that I did, or the course that I did when I created this one, I overcomplicated everything, and then I was looking at it and thinking, look, you guys are not going to be able to follow this. It's going to be crazy for you unless you're kind of more advanced level. So I decided that I would start from scratch and redo this character in a much more simplified method, because I'm just trying to show you the tools and the methods, and then once we do the actual proper games character course, I can go into a lot more detail that I did cover here, but that I'm going to exclude. So we'll still end up with the same character. We'll still end up with the same character inside of Substance Painter and Marmoset and your final renders, so you don't need to worry. And we're still going to talk about UV unwrapping and the problems. And I'm also going to tell you how to export this out of ZBrush, take it straight into Substance Painter. And I will show you the problems that come along with doing that as well. So let's get stuck in now and start gathering our reference for our minion.